Hello friends, welcome back. This is Hari Prasad. You are watching Hari Spoken English on Grammar channel. Today I am going to explain about passive voice interrogative sentences in a simple present tense. You know, interrogative means questions, asking questions. Okay, I will explain both the active voice and passive voice. First, let me explain active voice. Active voice formula in a simple present tense is do or does plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. Here, do or does we have used. They are called helping verbs. In active voice, we should use the helping verbs do or does in a simple present tense. Okay. Then the subject is followed. The V1 object plus question mark. Do for I, we, you and they. Does for he, she, it and any singular names. Okay. Let's see the example sentences. Do I learn English? Okay, I have used the verb learn. Learn, learned, learned. Or learn, learnt, learnt. We can use both ways. Do we learn English? Do you learn English? Do they learn English? Okay, next third person singular. Does. Does he learn English? Does she learn English? Does it learn English? Does Rajesh learn English? Okay, next to passive voice. You know, passive voice also, starting helping voice comes. Whatever the topic may be, either active voice or passive voice, question means start with helping verb. In passive voice, we should use the be forms. We should not use do forms in passive voice sentences. Clear? Here, simple present tense, we use the be forms. What are the means? Am, is, are. Okay. If the object is I, means we should use am. Okay. If the object is third person singular, we should use the helping verb is. If the object is plural, use are. Okay. Starting helping verbs comes here. Am, is, are plus object plus V3 plus by plus subject plus full stop. Okay. This is question mark. This is interrogative sentence. Okay. Is English learned by me? Okay. Do you learn English? Passive voice is English learned by me? Do we learn English? Is English learned by us? Okay. We becomes us. You becomes you only. You know already. Okay. They becomes them. He becomes him. She becomes her. It becomes it only. Okay. Names same names only repeated. Okay. Is English learned by us? Is English learned by you? Is English learned by them? Is English learned by him? Is English learned by her? Is English learned by it? Is English learned by Rajesh? Okay. A common thing that comes here. Is English learned by? This is common for all subjects. Okay, clear? Next, let's see the negative questions. Okay, interrogative, negative sentences. Same formula like positive, but it's a negative sentence. No, that's why we should add not to helping verb. In active voice, we use the helping verbs to do or does. Already I told you. Okay, do plus not, don't. Does plus not, doesn't. Okay, if helping us plus not comes in a starting place means we should use in contracted form. Okay, don't or doesn't. Plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. Okay, don't I learn English? Don't we learn English? Don't you learn English? Don't they learn English? Okay, but third person singular means we should use does. Does plus not, doesn't. Doesn't he learn English? Doesn't she learn English? Doesn't it learn English? Doesn't Dinesh learn English? Okay, now passive voice. Same like formula, same structure only, but we added one extra word, not, to helping verb. Am plus not, haven't. Is plus not, isn't. Are plus not, aren't. That comes first. Okay, plus object plus V3 plus by plus subject plus question mark. Okay. Isn't English learned by me? Okay. Don't I learn English? Passive voice is isn't English learned by me? Don't we learn English? Isn't English learned by us? Here isn't English learned by, that is common for all subjects. Okay. Here don't you learn English? Isn't English learned by you? Like that all subject comes. Okay. Doesn't he learn English? Isn't English learned by him? Okay. Isn't English learned by her? Okay. She comes means her. Isn't English learned by it? Next names. Dinesh comes means doesn't Dinesh learn English? Okay. Here isn't English learned by Dinesh? Okay. Like this we can use. Okay. We can use question words also. For example, who. Who comes means in passive voice by whom is followed. Okay. Who learn English? Who learn English? Okay. That passive voice sentence is by whom. By whom is English learnt? Because who means subject you are asking. That's why don't add subject here again. Okay, by plus subject don't use. By whom is English learnt? Who learnt who learn English. Okay, here also don't use subject. Who learn English, because we are asking question who, subject we are asking. Okay, that's why don't use subject in the question form. Okay, who learn English. Here, by whom is English learnt. Okay, who learns English means then by whom is English learnt. Same only here in passive voice. Okay, negative also you can say, negative sentences. Okay, who don't learn English. Who don't learn English. By whom isn't English learnt. Okay, who doesn't learn English. By whom isn't English learnt. Like this you can say. Suppose if you can use what also. What do I learn. Here what we are asking. Okay, answer English comes. That's why this word don't add. What do I learn. Okay, here passive voice is what is learnt by me. Okay, here objective should not use, because we are asking about objective. Okay, what is learned by me. Answer English. That's why this English word don't add in the question. What is learned by me. Okay, like this we can ask with all the subjects. Okay. Okay, I think you have understood very well. You enjoyed watching my channel. Please like this channel and share this video to your friends and relatives. Then only they will also be benefited. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.